Do you want to learn how to leverage LinkedIn to generate leads and drive traffic to your business? Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah Butler, or essbee to some, and I'm a marketing and communications expert. So if you're interested in free advice to raise your profile and drive revenue for your business, like and subscribe because that's what I do. Your support will really help my channel. LinkedIn's a really powerful tool that can help you reach your target audience and grow your business. If you're not using LinkedIn, you're missing out. I'm going to show you how to set up your profile, find your target audience, and create content that will engage and convert them into customers. So if you're ready to learn how to use LinkedIn for business, then let's get started. LinkedIn pages and profiles serve two distinct functions in LinkedIn. Pages are open to everyone and are mainly used by businesses. Profiles are more private and used by individuals. Each works with the LinkedIn algorithms, but there are various tools you can use with pages to expand your audience and drive leads to your business. Unlike profiles, users can follow pages without connecting to them first and waiting for approval. This means that when a user shares your page with their connections, those individuals will be able to follow your page and see your business's content right away, which has the potential for higher engagement. But first, you must have a personal profile page before you can set up your LinkedIn company page. You can learn more about doing this here in a video I will link to at the end. That profile page must first meet certain prerequisites to ensure that LinkedIn recognizes you as a legitimate organization. According to LinkedIn, you must produce a personal profile that is older than 7 days, uses your first and last names. Doing otherwise will not only prevent you from creating company pages, but it will also mean that you're in violation of LinkedIn policies. Your profile strength must show an intermediate or all-star status. The profile strength status is shown on the right side of your profile, and it ranks your profile based on how strong it is. The status will improve the more information you add. Company administrators on LinkedIn are required to have multiple connections to demonstrate strong networking skills and to also show that the administrator's profile is not fake. You also need to use an email address that is specific to your organization, and you also need to be listed as an employee in your organization. Now in the top navigation bar, select Work and click Create a Company Page. Important note, on your personal profile, update your work experience to link to this new business page. Next, fill in all the information fields. That's because according to LinkedIn, businesses with complete profiles experience 30% more views than those without. So take the time to fill out every field, not just the required ones. It could make a real difference to your business. You should be prepared to enter the following: your organization name, of course, a LinkedIn public URL. This is automatically generated as you enter your company name. Try to claim one that is the same as your business name, but be prepared to use an alternative if it's already taken. Enter your website. If you don't have one, and you should, put in your LinkedIn profile URL or some other social media site. Next, from a drop-down menu, you can choose which industry you're in. You can also do the same for company size, and then you have the choice of company type, whether it be public, self-employed, government, not-for-profit, sole, partnership. Add your logo, but make sure it's sized correctly. You get 6 times more visits to your company page by adding your logo. Add a tagline or slogan. You've got 120 characters to briefly sum up your USP or what makes you different from your competitors. Then hit preview, and if everything looks okay, check the box and hit create page. After this step, you will then be shown the admin view of your page. There are still some important steps needed to complete an optimal profile though. There's a description section, which is an about us of up to 2,000 words, used to describe your business in more detail. This is your place to use relevant keywords so people can discover you through a search engine like Google or from the LinkedIn search bar. This section might contain information about why you started your business, who your clients are, and what sets you apart from your competitors. Describe your specialities in clear and commonly used terms because this will help your page rank higher in search results. Add your location, and you do have the ability to add more than one. Add a cover photo or a banner, again checking the sizing requirements. This is the banner area at the top of your page and should entice people to learn more about you. You may add up to 3 hashtags that are related to your business and also the year that your business was founded. You also add specialities and LinkedIn groups you have joined and you want to show on your page. There's a call to action button. Ensure you choose which action you want. You can ask people to contact you or go to your website. Lastly, there's a lead generation form. Be sure to add a form for people to fill in to make contact with you. Now comes the hard work. LinkedIn claims that companies who post weekly see twice the engagement than those who don't. So what should you post? Here are some best practice tips from LinkedIn. Include an image in your post to get twice as many comments. Video gets 5 times more engagement, with live video getting 24 times more. Upload documents like PDFs, slide decks, white papers, ebooks, or long-form articles to be seen as a thought leader in your field. Put the spotlight on a client or employee with a shout-out. You can make job postings by including relevant hashtags and publishing to relevant industry groups. Use the trending topic feature to find out what topics your audience is engaging with and share it directly to your page. Reshare posts where you are tagged by employees, partners, clients, and similar. And use 3 to 5 relevant hashtags to your post about its key content or something relevant to your business. If you're stuck for topics, LinkedIn makes some suggestions. Inform your audience with announcements, awards, launches, and updates. You can humanize your brand with employee stories, CSR initiatives, diversity and inclusion initiatives, and thoughts on workplace issues. Deliver ongoing value with regular publication, news, recaps, and insights. Build thought leadership through trends, research and reports, future insights, new ideas, and opinion. Using hashtags is important on LinkedIn. People use them to discover topics and interests most relevant to them. When you create an update to share with your network from your LinkedIn homepage, you can add your own hashtags by typing the hashtag symbol and the word or phrase directly in your post. You can also click on the add hashtag link at the bottom of the share box and type your desired hashtag. Recommended hashtags will automatically be suggested when you compose your hashtag. Hashtags can be used anywhere in your post to share a video, article, or document. Good, simple hashtags are great for drawing in new audiences, sectors, and niches. To strike a balance between popular and relevant hashtags, conduct a hashtag research on LinkedIn. For example, if you're in digital marketing, start with a broad hashtag like hashtag digital marketing to see how popular it is and how frequently it's used. Begin with 3 that appeal to your target audience. It's not crucial to concentrate on the number of people following a hashtag, rather the quality. Hashtags you use should appeal to your target audience rather than a wide variety of people. You may grab a more targeted, narrower audience with a lesser used and more specific hashtag. A good rule of thumb is to use 2 broad hashtags and 1 niche. Next, you need to be consistent. LinkedIn doesn't require you to publish content 24/7, but it does need to be consistent. Your network will expect to hear from you regularly, whether it's every day, every other day, or once a week. Choose a schedule that works for your company and stick to it for a month. Look at your analytics and then choose the days and times that produce the most engagement. When it comes to sharing content on your company page, follow the 4-1-1 rule. For every piece of original content you post about your brand, share 1 update from another source and then repost 4 other pieces of content. This strategy keeps your company page fresh without having to create brand content from scratch every day. Instead, you can repurpose blog posts, ebooks, webinars, and other resources to post strategically rather than impulsively or burning out trying to post new content daily. LinkedIn recommends posting often, weekly if possible. Updates posted in the morning usually earn the highest engagement, with a slight bump again occurring after business hours. Experiment to see what works best for your company. Reshare, tag, and add comments. Start conversations, not sales pitches. People tune out with overly promotional updates, so when posting company-related news, make sure they deliver specific benefit or value to your followers. Sometimes posting great content isn't enough though for people to find and follow you. So LinkedIn has some best practices for growing your audience. You can choose to boost a post, a similar concept to Facebook where you can pay some money to have a post you have written serve to more of your audience targeted by specific demographics of your choosing. Ask for followers. Invite your first degree profile connections to follow your business page and ask your team to do the same. Notify employees of the most important page posts so they can share, like, and comment to boost organic reach and engagement. Add a LinkedIn follow hyperlink button to your website and other digital assets. Comment, react, and share any post in your profile feed from the perspective of your brand, exposing your name to a wider, relevant audience. Use LinkedIn Analytics to determine what types of content visitors and followers prefer and create your content to suit. Now grow your network organically by checking the My Network tab to see suggestions of people you may know. If you want to find a connection in a particular industry, from a specific school, or with a certain level of experience, open up the All filters in the search bar. You can use LinkedIn to drive traffic to your website, promote your expertise through thought leadership articles, expand your network, and advertise job openings and recruit new employees. Using advertisements will enhance all of these benefits. There are 4 types of LinkedIn advertisements that you can use. First is sponsored content. And sponsored content appears in an individual's news feed and reaches an extremely engaged audience. In order to distinguish from regular news feeds, sponsored content is denoted as being promoted. Single image, video, carousel, and event advertisements are possible. The next is sponsored messages. Only 48% of businesses use direct messaging to engage with potential customers, so there's a really great opportunity here. There are 2 types of messaging ads. The first is called message ads, which sends direct messages to your audience to spark immediate action. The second is conversation ads, where you can start conversations with your audience through choose your own path experience. Lead generation forms make it easy for advertisers to collect leads using forms. When a member clicks on the call to action button on a LinkedIn ad with an attached lead generation form, the form is automatically filled in with their contact and profile information. The next is text ads. The LinkedIn Right Rail also features advertisements. These consist of text, spotlight, or follower ads. These are smaller and more condensed advertisements than the sponsored content. LinkedIn will continue to be a crucial resource and platform for marketers, job seekers, candidate seekers, and other professionals, particularly in the B2B space. So set up your page and begin marketing on LinkedIn, and let me know if you need any more assistance. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next week with my next video.